I want to show you this Franklin ball hopper backpack. So I know it's kind of weird, but this is what it is. Let me just show you the size compared to a typical pickleball caddy. So here is a typical ball basket on rollers, and this is the size of the quote-unquote backpack. So it's pretty big, as you can see. Now let's dive into it to see what it's all about. So here we have it. It's basically a giant box, and the main compartment is a ball hopper. The bottom, let's see, has these bars that the ball will go through. So all you need to do on the court is you have a pickleball here, press in, and then the ball is captured. So you can use this to quickly pick up balls on the court. I don't tend to do that. It actually comes with actually let me show it to you. There's a flap that you can close. So if you close the flap, then the bottom is not open at all. That you can simply just use it as a basket for balls, which is the better way to use it, I think. The top zips up to protect the content, and there is a small pocket up front, good for phones or whatever. The instructions here, and then two side pockets, equal size. They're pretty big. It would definitely fit two paddles, three if you really squeeze it in. And then on this side, I have two water bottles, so those fit as well. And then there is a front admin area. It's quite large. It's felt lined on the top, so if you really want, you can also put the pedal in like this as well. And otherwise, other small items can go into it. There's a little wing here, and then the front, another felt line pocket. Throw your phone in there, or maybe goggles, if that makes sense. Then the back, in theory, there are backpack straps that you can put out, hooked up, and wear the whole thing. I'm never going to do that, right? This is going to be heavy. Instead, what's good is it has a handle. It's hard to see now. There's a handle, and you can use it to roll this thing around, kind of like a luggage, and that is the preferred way. So if you're coaching balls, paddles, water, goggles, it's really a kind of a coaching station on the go. The wheels are quite nice and quite smooth. So kind of a unique product. I think it's the only one that I know made by Franklin. Check it out.